Introducing our most spacious Ioniq yet, the first ever 3-row Hyundai Ioniq 9. All-electric power meets bold, family-sized innovation. Every drive feels more confident with Hyundai SmartSense, advanced safety tech designed to help protect what matters most. Ioniq 9 with blind spot collision avoidance assist keeps an extra set of eyes on the road. And with rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, you have confidence when changing lanes or backing out. When the unexpected happens, forward collision avoidance assist helps detect cars, pedestrians, and cyclists. Stay centered and focused with lane keeping assist, plus forward attention warning to help you stay alert mile after mile. Ioniq 9 thinks ahead with safe exit warning. Passengers step out with added peace of mind and go farther than ever with an EPA-estimated 335 miles of all-electric range. Navigation-based smart cruise control with curve control adjusts speed before the road bends. The parking distance warning helps in tight spaces, front and rear. Plus, your battery is backed by Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile limited battery warranty. Ioniq 9 was awarded IIHS Top Safety Pick. And with every Hyundai sold, a donation is made to Hope on Wheels to fight childhood cancer. Together, we've raised over $303 million. Ioniq 9, 3 rows of space, smarter safety. The future of family EVs has arrived. Experience it for yourself at your local Hyundai dealer.